Barrier repair, unraveling the meaning. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, barrier repair in English. This might be a new term for many of you, but don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll understand its meaning and usage perfectly. So, let's dive in. Barrier repair is a compound noun, consisting of two words, barrier and repair. A barrier is something that blocks or limits movement or access, while repair means to fix something that is broken or damaged. Together, these words create a phrase that generally refers to the restoration or fixing of a barrier. In everyday English, barrier repair can be used in various contexts. For instance, in skincare, it refers to products or treatments that help restore the skin's protective barrier. In construction, it might mean repairing physical barriers like walls or fences. Understanding the context is key to grasping the full meaning of the phrase. Let's look at some examples to see how barrier repair is used in sentences. 1. Skincare. This cream is excellent for barrier repair. It really improved my skin's health. 2. Construction. The barrier repair on the old fence made it look as good as new. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the phrase, barrier repair. Remember, the key to mastering English is to learn new phrases and understand their context. Keep practicing, and you'll get there. See you in the next video.